his foot, but it goes right to Amori. Amori on the block, kicks it out. Nelson spots up, 3, 5. Alabama, the bank first 3 from Grant Nelson gets on the board first. Have given the Tide the early advantage. Nelson, who had the career high against North Dakota, gives it back out, or a season high, I should say, against North Dakota a couple of games ago. Will now back his way into the post. Goes in with a sweeping hook. George Mikan gets it done again. Trying to minimize what he does as he comes in averaging a double-double. Holloway giving it off to Nelson on the far wing, just inside the arc. Gives it now to Sears. Back to Nelson, left alone. He'll try 3 by. They allow the shooters to get open on back-to-back trips. Now here's Nelson driving. Swing goes to the rack and throws it home. Circles away from Nelson. Seiler now getting it into the paint, shows the ball right, spins, lays it up, missed it. Ball tipped though into the hands of Clubb. Driving in Morris, blocked from behind by Stevenson, and Bama will run the other way. Here's Sears in transition, kicks in the corner to Holloway, spins away from a defender. Teardrop is good. Time left, second half here at Coleman Coliseum, a 61-44 Alabama lead. Sears with the basketball, kicks it out to Philon, an open 3, and he knocks home another bank first bucket for the Crimson Tide.
Alabama just 1 for 5 from the three-point line here in the second half, but getting great looks.
Unfortunately, Seiler's able to answer quickly on the other end, and the lead goes back down to 64-47 for the Tide. Nelson far side, catch and shoot 3. He answers.
Well, that was not in rhythm. The pass was a little bit off and took Grant Nelson over to his left. He didn't look on balance, but able to knock down his third 3 of the game.
Missed 3 in transition by Seiler, and Bama comes the other way with it. Here's Holloway with the Tide on top, 66-50. 14:08 to go, second half. Inside, Nelson feeds it to Amori, lays it up and in off the glass for 2.
I don't see how that one went in. Well defended by Grant Nelson. South Dakota State gets the friendly roll. Nelson
on the drive, runner off the glass, count it, and he is fouled. Timeout on the floor, 7:21 to play here in Coleman. Bounds, going to Nelson, fires it over to Stevenson, who drives in, lays it up and in for 2. Boy, Bama got the mismatch they wanted. Inbounds goes to Nelson. Grant pivots, hands it off to Holloway. Steps to the right, shoots a 3, makes it again. Having a good time, isn't he?
Oh, man, feeling it here in Alabama's last non-conference game in Holloway with a game-high 26 points.
Jackson looking left, dribbling left. Cut off by Holloway, now goes right. Jackson into the paint, stops, spins, and a steal by Nelson on the pass intended for Wilkinson. Grant going the other way, got fast and no turnovers. Free throw.